Hello friends, so our before lecture we are already discussed the organic acids. In this the organic acid, the first acid we are discussing the citric acid. So nowadays, we are discussing the next organic acid, that is a gluconic acid. Gluconic acid, it is also one type of the organic acids. Okay, so we are already discussed in each of the organic acids it is a industrial application or the economical application. That is the reason is that we are carrying out the fermentation technology. So what is the application of this, the gluconic acid? The gluconic acid is a useful in a manufacturing of the metals. It is a using for the manufacturing of the metals, stainless steels, leathers, as it is a remove the calcareous and the rust deposit. It is using for the calcareous and the rust deposit. Okay, another application is that it is used as a additive in a foods and beverage. We are already discussed the various organic acid. It is act as a food additives and it is an antioxidant in nature. So gluconic acid, it is also applicable in using in a food additives and beverages. So gluconic acid has a pharmaceutical application, calcium and iron therapy. It is a another important is that the application in a pharmaceutical application. What is a pharmaceutical application? It is using in a calcium and iron therapy. Those persons are the in suffering from the iron and the calcium deficiency. So it is a gluconic acid. It is a supplementary to act as a calcium and the iron increment. Okay. Another application is that the sodium gluconate, it is used as a sequestering agent in a many detergent. It is also using in a detergent. So citric acid, it is also using in a detergent. Same like that the gluconic acid, it is also using in a detergent. So gluconate, it is used for desizing the polyester or the polyamide fabrics. It is also using in a clothing industries. For which purposes? It is a polyester or the polyamide fibers. It is used in a polyester and the polyamide fibers. Another application is that it is utilized in the manufacturing of the highly resistant concrete. It is also using in a highly resistant concrete. जे काही आपले कॉन्क्रीट वगैरे असतात त्याच्यात कधी कधी पहा तुम्ही लिहिलेलं असतो त्याच्यात हायली रेजिस्टंट कॉन्क्रीट वगैरे जे असतो त्याच्यामध्ये काय यूज करतात? Gluconic is an organic acid. It is also using in a concrete cements also. Okay, here is the application of the gluconic acid. That is the reason is that we are choosing the fermentation technology. We are already discussed in each of these the application. According to this the application, so it is using for the fermentation technologies. So आधी पण सांगितलं होतं जेव्हा fermentation करत असताना तर त्याच्यात काय असतो? सर्वात अगोदर microorganisms. Which are the microbes are using for this organic gluconic acid production? The some bacteria and the some fungal species are the producing the gluconic acid. Which is are these the bacteria? These the bacteria species of the genera, that is the bacteria and fungi. It is producing the gluconic acid. Which are the bacteria are the produce the gluconic acid? So these the bacteria are the Gluconobacter, Acetobacter, Pseudomonas, Vibrio are the produce the gluconic acid. Which are these the bacteria? Gluconobacter, Acetobacter, Pseudomonas, Vibrio. These are the microbial genera are the producing the organic acid, that is a gluconic acid in this the using a biological substances in the fermentation media. Another fungal species of the genera it is also producing the gluconic acid. Which are these? The Aspergillus penicillium and Glycolidium. Aspergillus penicillium Bacillus penicillium and the Glucocaladium. These are the fungal species are the producing the glucanic acid using the biological substances in the fermentation media. Okay, so we are already know this is starting of this the fermentation of this the organic acid. The first step is that the selection of the microbial strain. So here we are discussing the first the microorganisms. The next is that the production. In this the production, these are the we are already know the submerge, surface. Okay, these are the methods are using for the fermentation process. Here are the also using the production of the organism is the submerge and the surface process. In this the detail we are already discussing the organic acid. Same process, same procedure it is applying on the production of the glucanic acid, because of it is also in a organic acid but is using the nutrients and some nitrogenous and the carbon sources are the different. In this the one the speciality of this the Glycoronobacter, it is using for the glucose as a source. Glucose as a source. According to the meaning, the glucanic acid means it is a simplify the oxidative of this the glucose and is the producing the glucanic acid in that of the fermentation media. So those media are the containing the higher rich in a glucose level, so it is preferring for their fermentation of that the glucanic acids. Okay, here is the production media. It is high level of the glucose. It is important for the incrementing of that of the glucanic acid in that of the media. Next step is that the process. In the process, we are all know that the submicrobial are growing in that much of the pH, that much of the temperature. Okay, it is also application in the fermentation media of that the glucanic acid production. The using the bacterial and the fungal species, there is the temperature and the pH for the production of the glucanic acid are the different. That is for the production of the glucanic acid by the bacteria. It is one of the important thing is that the 12 to 50% of the glucose in that of the minimum level of this the glucose is important for the production of glucanic acid. Below that of this the percentage the glucanic acid production, it is a inhibited. Okay, what is the concentration? Minimum concentration. What is the minimum concentration of the glucose in the media? That is a 12 to 50% of the glucose in the media. It is help in for the production of the glucanic acid. How much of the temperature required for the bacterial production of the glucanic acid? That is a 4.5 to the 6.5 pH. 6.5 pH. What is the temperature? The temperature for required for the production of the glucanic acid respect to the bacteria, that is a 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. 28 to 30 degrees Celsius are the temperature required, and how much of the periods? About the 24 hours. 24 hours of the periods are the required for the production of glucanic acids. And it is also important thing is that it is required the higher amount of the O2 for their production of or the enhancing of the glucanic acid yields. Okay. Biosynthesis. What is the biosynthesis of the glucanic acid? The first is the glucose. Then the glucose is a first product of the glycolysis, is converted into the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Then it converted into the 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. Here not detailed study of this the glycolysis pathway. Here only for your understanding what is a biosynthesis process. In this the enzyme, what is the glucose to the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. It is not important to the here to the fermentation technology paper. Here only for your understanding purposes is that the glucose is a first product is a metabolized by the bacteria Gluconobacter for their production of the glucanic acid. Okay. Then to the next is converted into the pyruvate. Okay, it is converted into the glucose, D-glucose it is using. Then D-glucose, it is a dehydrogenase bacteria, it converted into the D-gluconolactone. D-gluconolactone. D-glucanolactone. The enzyme glucose dehydrogenase in the bacteria, the coenzyme PKQH2, it is the isolating of that of the glucose in that of the media, and it converted into the D-glucose glucanate. Okay, in the presence of the cofactors, then it converted into the glucanic acid. Glucanic acid. Here normal process high glycolysis, then converted into the pyruvate. In the before, that is the bacterial dehydrogenase, it is using the glucose and that is converted into the D-glucanolactone, then it is converted into the glucanic acid in presence of the lactonase. The lactonase is the enzyme are producing the fungi. Okay, in this the fungal biosynthesis, the glucose is a D-gluconatase by the bacteria, by the enzyme glucose oxidase in the fungi. In the bacteria, dehydrogenase, glucose dehydrogenase, but in the fungal species, it is a enzyme is that the glucose oxidase, it is utilizing the glucose and then it converted into the industrial important organic acid, that is a gluconic acid. Okay, here is the biosynthesis of the glucanic acid. Next step is that the harvesting of product, like the same as the harvesting, like the some chemicals, like the some sulfuric acid, like of this the substances are using for the same as to the isolation of this the organic acid. One the precaution, it is applying for the isolation of the glucanic acid, the some using the chemicals and some using the solvents, organic solvent. It is not necessary in nature of that of the given organic acid. It is important precaution for their harvesting of that of the glucanic acid. The same process it is also applying like that of the citric acid, जे की आपण citric acid मध्ये जे harvesting process जी यूज केली होती, जे centrifuge वगैरह, ते आपण same process इथं पण apply करणार आणि आपलं harvest करणार कोणता आहे gluconic acid. Okay, here we are completed the next organic acid, that is a glucanic acids. Another important is a organic acid is a lactic acid. Lactic acid. The lactic acid, it is also important. It is application is that it is also using in a various lactate metabolism deficiency diseases. It is also applying for those for treatment purposes. It is also using in a foods. Okay, it is also using in a milk products. Okay, milk products is also used, and is the deficiency of the lactase in that of the those buffalo's milk, it is an extra additive in that of the milk. Okay, for their increment of that of the quality of that of the milk. Okay, here is the application of this the lactic acid. So what is the microorganisms are using for the lactic acid production? Okay, in this the before history of this the lactic acid it is produced by the muscle cells or in that of the bacteria. Okay, आधीची जी हिस्ट्री होती त्याच्यामध्ये लॅक्टिक ॲसिड इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द बॅक्टेरिया ओनली, बट नाउअडेज इट इज अ केमिकली ऑल्सो सिंथेसाइज इन विट्रो कंडिशन ऑफ अवर लॅबोरेटरियल लेवल. ओके, आधी कसं होतं जे की मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम सिंथेसिस करत होते. आणखी एक लक्षात घ्या, जेव्हा डिफिशियन्सी ऑफ इन युअर मसल्स इट इज ऑल्सो सिंथेसाइजिंग द लॅक्टेस. ओके, ऑल्सो सिंथेसाइज द लॅक्टेस और द लॅक्टिक ॲसिड इन युअर बॉडी इन द स्पेशली absence of the oxygen level. Okay, here is the application. We are know about the two form of the lactic acid, L form and the D form. It is a racemic mixture, it containing the two form of these the lactic acids. The first step is that the microorganisms. Which are the microorganisms are the produce the lactic acid? So these microorganisms are the produced by the lactic acid. These are the two type of the organism, that is a heterofermentative and the homofermentative. We are already study in the of the metabolism. There are the lactic acid fermentation metabolism. This is the bacteria are the produces the lactic acid in a heterofermentative or heterometabolism also. So Lactobacillus valenteri, Lactobacillus pseudomonas, these are the organism. Propionome, it is also organism are the produces the lactic acid in our the fermentation media. Okay, but it is one of the important mechanism for the synthesis is the homofermentative and the heterofermentative production. Some organisms are the heterofermentative, it is producing the some other product and it is producing the plus supplement of the lactic acid. It is an important mechanism of this the lactic acid production. And homofermentative organism, it is produce the only the lactic acid in that of the fermentation media. Next process is that the process. In this the process we are already know it is a media, it is important for their production. It is a temperature, it is also involved for the production. pH, it is also important for production. It is depends upon the selection of the microorganisms are using for their in a fermentation process. Okay, in this the fermentation process, it is required the synthesis the lactic acids occur through the glucose oxidation. It is occurs through the glucose oxidation. In this the fermentation media, it contain the 12 to 15% of the glucose and the nitrogen, phosphorus containing salts and the micronutrients are required for their production of the lactic acid. It is a requirement for their the lactobacillus of the microorganism for their production of the lactic acid using this the glucose as a carbon source. And it is also required the phosphorus and the nitrogen. In this, suppose 100 of the ml of the media, it is a 10 to 12 ml of the glucose, 10 to 12 percentage of the nitrogen, phosphorus. It is important for their synthesis of the lactic acid in that of the media. It is a requirement of that of the organism. Another important property, the pH required for the production of the lactic acid is that the pH is that the 5.5 to the 6.5. Because of the lactobacillus is growing on the temperature, growing on this is the pH of 5.5 to the in the range of the 6.5. Another temperature for their production, that is a 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. It is a temperature are the required for the production of the lactic acid in that of the media. So it required to the how much of the periods? It is required the 75 hours. 75 hours of the periods are required for the production of the lactic acid in that of the media. It is a process for the production of the lactic acid. The next point is the biosynthesis. Biosynthesis. The biosynthesis, it is simple. The glucose, it is converted into the glycerol 3-phosphate. We are know about the glycolysis process. Glucose to pyruvate. Glucose to pyruvate. Then the pyruvate, it is acting on that the enzyme lactate dehydrogenase, that it converted into the lactic acid. The enzyme lactate dehydrogenase, it is acting on the pyruvate, then it converted into the lactic acids. It is a biosynthesis of the lactic acid. Then to the next point, it is a harvesting. Or product isolation. In this the product isolation, it is also same process like apply in that of the other organic acid. Some other chemicals are the immiscible in nature of the lactic acid. It is using for their precipitation of that of the lactic acid on that of the media, and the temperature and the pH, it is also important for their precipitation of the lactic acid in this the media. It is a completed. Next organic acid is that the acetic acid. acetic acid. It is also one type of the organic acid. It is useful in a vinegar production. In the vinegar मध्ये जे असतात, the drink असतात from the alcoholic liquids, it has contain the lactic acetic acid. It is also used in pharmaceuticals. Okay, pharmaceutical syrups. In the syrups, it also contain the acetic acid, and it is also using in a vinegar productions. In the vinegars, it is also from beer and the wines. The product is a acetic acid. The microorganisms. What is the microorganisms are using for the production of the organic acid? The Glucanobacter, Acrobacter are the organisms are the producing the acetic acid. Glucanobacter, Acranobacter are producing the organic acid, that is a acetic acid. The biosynthesis of the acetic acid. The acetic acid is, next point is a biosynthesis. What is the biosynthesis of the acetic acid production? The acetic acid is a product of incomplete oxidation of the ethanol. Ethanol is a first oxidized. Okay, ethanol is a first oxidized to the acetaldehyde in presence of the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase. Then acetaldehyde, it is of adding of the water molecule, then it converted into the acetahydrate. Then the acetahydrate it converted into the acetyl hydride dehydrogenase. In presence of the cofactor NADP and the NADP plus as oxidation and the reduction reaction and carry out in the alcohol production process, then it is converted into the acetic acid. Then it is formed, is the first product, it is a ethanol. Then ethanol, it is reduced then to the formation of acetic acid by using the different type of the enzyme. The recovery of the acetic acid, it is the same like that of the using in a citric acid, but is the chemical and the some temperature sensitive reaction at the different level are using in a acetic acid harvesting. Another ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. The ascorbic acid, it is also as a one type of the organic acid. L-ascorbic acid, it is a commonly chemically name. It is a chemical name of this. The ascorbic acid is the L-ascorbic acid. It is a water soluble vitamin C. It is a water soluble vitamin C. These vitamins form a redox system and the participate in a several biological process It is also act as a vitamins. Here is a application. This is because the wide range of the physiological and the beneficial function on the ascorbic acid as a commercially production and significance. Vitamin C mainly used in a food and a pharmaceutical, food and pharmaceutical industry, because of it is a vitaminic in nature, so it is using in a pharmaceutical industry, adding the extra on that of the supplemented vitamins on that of the tablet or the syrups. So here is the application for production of these the ascorbic acids. The microorganisms. What is the microorganisms are the producing the ascorbic acids? These the organisms is that the Acetobacter, Glucanobacter, Acetobacter are the producing the ascorbic acid in that of the fermentation media. What is the process? Processing in a fermentation media. In this the fermentation media, the industrial production of the ascorbic acid. The ascorbic acid is commonly produced by the combination of the chemicals and the one reaction of the biotransformation. So in these the special organism are the not producing the ascorbic acid. The commonly of the two commensalism organism are they are producing the biotransformation of this the ascorbic acid. Okay, so in this the new technology is that the bio transformation, the some are the transformed by the bacteria and the some are the transformed by the chemically, and there the producing the commonly producing the acid, that is the ascorbic acids. तर याच्यामध्ये दोन मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स यूज करतो आपण प्रोडक्शन करण्यासाठी ascorbic acid and the some याच्यामध्ये some industrial level, some are the produced by the microorganism and the some are the synthesized by the chemically. Okay, the temperature, the pH are the same like we are already discussing the gluconic acid bacteria. The same type of the gluconic acid bacteria, some process are the carried out by the gluconic acid bacteria and the some process is occurred by the chemically. Okay, another organic acid is a etanoic acid. It is the last organic acid. Etanoic acid. The etanoic acid, it is used in a plastic industry, paper industry and the manufacturing of the adhesive. So it is using in a paper industry, plastic industry. Etanoic acid is a commonly produced by the Aspergillus etonicus. Aspergillus, the fungi, Aspergillus etonicus. These are the producing by the etanoic acid in that of the fermentation media. That submerged fermentation process is a commonly using for their etanoic acid production. The yield of the etanoic around the 75% of the theoretically calculation, where the medium it contain the 15% of the sucrose. We are already discussed in this the processing process. The carbon sources, it is important for their production of that the yield in that of the broth. So it contains the 15% of the sucrose. It is important for the Aspergillus etonicus for the production of the etanoic acid in that of the fermentation media. Okay. The recovery harvesting process is the same like that are using in other organic acids. So here are the completed the today's lecture, the organic acids. Okay. So next lecture we are discussing the organic solvents. Thank you for watching this video.